June, excuse me, June 4th. Right now. Oh, this is magnificent. There's a huge chemtrail that they're trying to cover up right here. Back to the sun. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, good. There, I got it in focus a bit. And here's the rest of that chemtrail they're trying to cover up. The plumes have, excuse me, the plumes have been erased today, and now they're trying to put them up again. Here it is again, and look at what's going on here. We are being beamed. Look at that. Not to mention the little planet over here, which you can see. You see that? It's in the center of the picture right now in green. Yup. And here's our sun, just vibrating. Incredible. Now it's steadied a little bit. Just kind of like twitching. I wonder what's happening.